In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold lines in Google Sheets. This simple task can help make your data more organized and visually appealing, making sure important information doesn't get overlooked. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't already created one, you can go to the Google Sheets website, sign into your Google account, and either create a new sheet or open an existing one from your Google Drive. Once you have your spreadsheet open, it's time to get started with bolding lines. The first step in our process is to select the cell you want to begin with. Simply click on any cell you choose, and you'll notice that it becomes highlighted with a blue outline, indicating that it is currently selected. Remember, you can always change your selection if needed by clicking on a different cell. Next, we need to highlight a range of cells, especially if you're looking to bold lines that enclose a larger area of data. Click and drag across the cells you want to select. You'll see that the selected cells become shaded, making this process easy to follow. This is really helpful when you're dealing with large tables or need to bold entire rows or columns. Now, it's time to add your bold lines. Look for the border icon in the toolbar at the top of your screen. It resembles a square with several lines. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options for adding borders. Choose the border type you prefer, whether it's outlining the entire selection, borders between cells, or any specific sides. After selecting your border type, you might want to customize it further by choosing a color for your border lines. This option allows you to ensure that your bold lines stand out against your data. Find the border color palette, often shaped like a small paint palette or just a button labeled color, and select any shade you prefer. You might choose a color that matches your spreadsheet's theme or simply one that stands out against your data. Lastly, if you really want your lines to pop, consider tweaking the thickness of your borders. You'll find this option in the same menu as the color selection. Adjusting the thickness can add emphasis to your table, making it visually clearer where important divisions lie. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now mastered the art of bolding lines in Google Sheets. This skill is particularly useful for creating easily readable and professional spreadsheets. As always, feel free to experiment with these settings to find the style that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.